Okay, so you want to shape it into like a hot dog. You split the dough into equal pieces. You weigh it, split the dough into equal pieces, and then you want to make it into a log, and then you just roll it. A log, roll it, roll it. Put your hand in the middle, roll it, and expand out. So you would have one string, right? So when you have a string, you take a hot dog. I divided this into half, so you can start wrapping it. You can wrap it. You can make it into. You just wrap the whole dough around the hot dog, and then you want to tuck the ends underneath so that it would be under as it rises. Okay. So now then you put it in. And give it some space, because when it proofs, it will bulk up, and then when you bake it, it will increase some more. Okay, so you can continue doing that. I will continue doing a few more. Okay, so you just make it into a log first, and then you roll it, roll it, roll it. And you wrap it. Like this. Okay. So the hot dog baos that we shaped and had a second proof, look, it increased in size quite a bit, right? And so now let's brush it on with egg wash so that it would be a little browner.